Hey everyone! Welcome back to our drawing channel, Kids Drawing Magic. Today, we're going to draw a cute fish, step by step. Grab your pencil and paper, and let's get started. First, let's draw the fish's body. Start by drawing a big oval shape, like an egg. Make one side slightly pointy for the mouth. Draw a fin on top using a curved triangle shape. Great job! Now, draw the tail at the back. Use two curved lines to make a fan shape. Connect it to the body. Looking great! Now, draw a big circle for the eye. Add a tiny dot inside for the pupil. Draw a curved line for a happy smile. Make it nice and round. Let's add the fins. Now draw a small side fin near the middle. Awesome! Add another fin at the bottom. Let's make it colorful. Draw curved stripes or lines across the body. You can add any patterns you like. Make it nice and round. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Perfect! Draw a wing on the body using curved lines. Awesome! Now draw highlights. Now it's time to color. Use bright colors like yellow, orange, pink, or blue. Color the fins and tail in a different shade. Make it fun and vibrant. Awesome job, everyone! Your fish looks amazing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your drawing with us. See you in the next video.